I'm Michael Kolb, CFP and Portfolio Manager at Evergreen Wealth Solutions. I wanted to provide you a quick summary of our Outlook and Positioning webinar, which we held last week. Before we get started, a quick note. Our team has been doing a lot of hard work on providing you with timely and educational content. On our website, you're going to find videos, white papers, and our brand new podcast, Plan Well, Live Well, with weekly content regarding our people, processes, investing, topics, and plenty of other material. If you find any of this content is particularly helpful, or you'd like additional content or in additional formats, we encourage your feedback as we strive to provide you, our client, with the best possible resources. Now on to the summary. We started out first with Derek Varner's overview of the first quarter of 2021, noting the outperformance of small cap stocks and US stocks respective to large cap and international stocks, as well as how rates have really affected the bond markets and they're currently struggling. With vaccines continuing to roll out, our haves and have-nots that we've been highlighting for over a year now are kind of shifting. They're shifting from the technology stocks and those kind of stay-at-home stocks to more cyclical stocks like energy, airlines, hotels, real estate, and so much more. Martin then provided us with an outlook, noting the leading economic indicators, the primary manufacturing indexes, and consumer activity, which are all very positive. We also have a very supportive Fed, and the consumer, are in an excellent position with very low debt service ratios and very high asset levels as well as savings rates. There are concerns in regards to inflation, as well as valuations of the stock market in general, and investor sentiment, which are kind of holding us back from being a little bit more aggressive. But to summarize our position, the economy as a whole throughout the globe were very positive. Market valuations were a little bit cautious. From a technical standpoint, we believe the stock markets are in a very positive position. And then from an investor sentiment position, we're a little bit cautious again. After our outlook and summary, we moved to an interview where I interviewed Justin Duff, who's the Director of Advanced Planning at Commonwealth. He's extremely talented and has a lot of history in estate planning. So we discussed estate planning in the Biden era. We discussed a lot of the current place where we are with estate taxes, as well as where we may be heading down the road and why that matters to you. In addition, we highlighted some changes that are being proposed right now. And again, these are only proposals and they may possibly happen, but we could have changes in the long-term capital gains rates. We could have a higher top income tax bracket. There could be the elimination of the stepped-up basis on death, and we could have a reduction in federal estate tax exclusion ratios, as well as the possibility of elimination of things like 1031 exchange rates for real estate for the highest income earners. Finally, we summarized how all of these changes could affect your portfolio and how they are applied here at Evergreen through tax-efficient investing strategies. I went over how we employ tax-efficient investing in 3 distinct ways. 1, we use tax-efficient investment vehicles, using the correct type of investment vehicle for that account in that portfolio. 2, we have tax-efficient investment placement. We manage accounts at a household level, maintaining control of when you pay capital gains or trying to eliminate the amount that you would pay as well as interest and dividends, and tie that in with your individual financial plan. And finally, we also do tax-efficient investing through things like tax loss harvesting, and really controlling as to when you're going to pay those taxes so it fits you and your scenario best. Again, it's always our pleasure to serve you, and we're always looking ways to provide you with educational, informative, and entertaining content, in which you get to know us and our process, and we kind of grow in a relationship together. So please don't hesitate to respond with any feedback, positive or negative. We'll take it all. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful spring, and we look forward to seeing you again at our second quarter update in July.